Hi, today we are going to hex mesh this use bracket. So we will be hex meshing this and we are using HyperMesh 2024 with Abacus profile. And yeah, you can download the CAD from the description and you can follow along with this process. So let's start. Firstly, you can see like this is symmetrical solid, symmetrical about XY plane. So I will cut this. I will go to F9 and I will going to use this plane option, going to set the target to solids and then just press this and review this. So I will just split this. Now I'll just going to hide this part. Okay. Okay. Now we know that this part is also not mappable. If you go to this 3D map option, this is not mappable. But we can do something to make it mappable. We can just split this to make this mappable. So I'm going to go to F9 again and going to use the plane option again. Target plane will be this one. I need to reset the plane. Okay. Now I will review this. I'm just unselecting whatever is not needed. Only I just need to split this two parts and then it's done. So if I just going to hide this, I'm going to left out with this one. Okay. Now I can just easily do this, I think. So if you go to here 3D map, now this is mappable in this direction. So I'm going to use simple batch mass operation. So I'm going to 2D batch mass and surface. I will select this surface, this and this. And 2 mm is fine for me, I think. Just click on mesh. Let's see what mesh I get. So batch meshing is done. So I got all quad elements, which is good. So I'm going to just use the extrude option to basically map mesh this. So going to extrude, click on mesh, click on elements, just select all the elements and target will be this solid and this surface, sorry, and just I'm going to click on OK. Let's see how it is. So yeah, it has created. Now I'm left out with this one. So for this one, what I can do here is I can just mesh this surface and I can follow along with this element. So this is how then I can make the connectivity here. So basically I will just do this F12, can just use the freeform mesh for time being. Okay, now I can just go to use this extrude topology, extrude again, select all these elements and target will be this one and guides I need to select for the proper element connectivity, this element, this element, this element and this element. That's it. I will press OK. Let's see. Okay, now I can just isolate the solid map and check whether this part is connected or not. So to check this part, firstly let me just delete this 2D elements. It is of no use of now. It is of no use. Now what I can do is I have isolated this solid map which is my 3D elements. Just I will show you it's 3D only, and then I will, to check this free edges, what I can do here is whether proper connectivity is there or not. I will go to validate, extract the faces of this, and just click on faces. It will extract the 2D face from it, and I am just going to isolate. Now I need basically two things. Basically, there shouldn't be any free edges. So review, no free edges are there. Okay, and yeah. Also, if I want, I can just see the T connections also. So no T connections are also there. There are no T connections. So I will delete the faces also now. Only solid map is there. Now, you know that like our part is this and we have only uh, hex match this part, the one half. So I just need to reflect this. So go to this move tool and go to this drop down menu, select this mirror. Now select these elements, select all the elements, go to plane. This plane I need to select and I need to drag it to this face. Once this is dragged, just press on click original. If you want to see the preview, click on preview and just mirror this. So it has mirrored, but you can see that this is not connected. So go to equivalence and just select these elements. Go to review. So these are the nodes which we want to be equivalenced. So press on equivalence. So this is the way you can hex map this. Use a bracket. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.